Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we are going to make some amazing banana bread, and you are going to love this recipe because it is just so simple. For our recipe today, 2 cups or 300 grams of all-purpose flour, and all-purpose flour is also called plain flour in many countries. 1 cup or 200 grams of granulated sugar, a half a cup or 114 grams of salted butter, 1.5 teaspoons or 7 grams of baking soda, a half a teaspoon or 2 grams of salt, 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of vanilla extract, 3 ripe large bananas, 2 large eggs, and I always use large eggs in all of my recipes. We're going to need a half a teaspoon or 1 gram of cinnamon, and our last ingredient, 1 cup or 100 grams of walnuts. That is optional, but it does take banana bread up to the next level. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. For our recipe today, we're going to start off with 3 ripe large bananas. So mash all of your bananas in the bowl. We're going to melt our butter and then pour that in with the banana mixture. As you can see, this recipe is really easy. We're not even using an electric mixer. Now we're going to add in our vanilla extract, and in my recipe I am using pure vanilla extract. We'll take our 2 large eggs, slightly scramble them, and then get those into the mixture as well. We also want to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That is 177 degrees Celsius. I have 2 cups of flour here, which is equal to 300 grams. We'll add that in and stir it in. And then we'll take our white granulated sugar and we'll get that in as well. Then we'll add in our salt, our baking soda, and our cinnamon. You may have noticed that I use salt even though I use salted butter. You can omit the extra little bit of salt if you wish. And at this point you want to mix well. I have 1 cup of walnuts. We'll add those in. That's equal to 100 grams. By the time we finish our recipe, our oven should be preheated to the correct temperature required in our recipe. I am using a glass baking pan, so I did grease it. And then to finish it off, we're just going to add a few walnuts to the top, and then we'll put it in the oven. Total bake time is 50 minutes. And here's a nice shot of it just at the end of the baking cycle while it's still in the oven. Here we go. Here's the final product. And let's cut into it just to finish off our video. And you'll see how moist this banana bread is. It is just amazing. You're going to try this recipe once and you are going to fall in love. It is so simple, yet it makes an amazing banana bread. I just wanted to quickly mention that using this exact same recipe, we're going to be making a new video that's going to show you how to make this into muffins instead of the banana bread. And you're going to love that video too. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.